What happens if you unplug a graphics card from a running computer? Let's find out. Again, please don't try this at home. Leave the stupid stuff to me. As you might expect, the display cuts out as we remove the card, but the fan on the GPU actually ramps up after being unplugged, before eventually slowing down and stopping. Returning the card to the motherboard while everything is still plugged in doesn't restore the display. However, this doesn't mean the graphics card is busted. In my experience, I was able to restart the computer and get the graphics card to run as normal. What should we test next? Let me know.